the candidate of BJP is here to cast her vote here. Ma'am, what is your sentiment? You are coming here to cast your vote, but you also are contesting from Ateli. What is the sentiment and what is the feedback that you have got from the ground right now?
The feedback has been immense. We've been getting a lot of love and we're very grateful for it. And I say all the seats in southern Haryana for the matter today are going to be going the BJP way, because the trust that the people have in the BJP in southern Haryana and its leaders is immense. So that will of course turn into votes today.
So a lot of emphasis was on Dalit votes earlier also, but Ashok Tawar has gone back to Congress, and this is what Congress is also saying, that Dalits are not with BJP. How do you react to that statement by the Congress?
I don't react really to that because, quite frankly, I don't think that his going or staying would have had any effect on anybody. It's just a headline for the day, but the core voters do not change, and I'm sure that the people know what is the best party for Haryana, and that's going to be the BJP.
The kind of drug bust that we had seen in the alleged links with Dipendra Hooda and Congress party, the kind of drug bust that we had seen in Delhi, and the BJP has also said, the BJP has said that.
I wouldn't comment on this. I wouldn't have a clue. I've been so busy in the field for the last 25 days. All I can tell you is what's happening around me. So that's all I can tell you about, frankly. And I will just tell you this, that you will see on the 8th, starting the trends from southern Haryana are definitely going to be the BJP.
Would you say someone from the southern Haryana will be the CM candidate this time?
Well,
if BJP comes to power?
If we come to power, why not? I think everybody wants it, and there's a hue and cry about it from the entire area that they want somebody, because they give so much support, they want support in return, so why not?
Thank you so much. So that was Aarti Rao, daughter of Union Minister Inderjit Singh Rao, contesting as BJP candidate from Ateli constituency. She is here to cast her vote. She will be doing the rounds in her own constituency where she is contesting from, and we will look forward to the result day, how she fares, but she believes that if BJP comes to power, someone from southern Haryana should be a contender for the Chief Minister's post. This is Pragya Kaushik with video journalist Manmeet.